Hello, so my name is Moody, and I'm going to tell you about unforgettable moments in my past. So, the most unforgettable moments that I always remember is when I was around 12 or 13. I went to Korea with my mom and my cousin with my aunt, and I go there when it was December, so it's a winter season, so there was snowing a lot, and I still remember how I felt when we first landed on Incheon airport. So when we first landed on there, I already felt cold right there because the wind it's so strong even on inside the airport, because it was my very first time seeing snow fall like in real life. I always see snow from like movie or a YouTube video like that. So I was there for a month. I was I go there not only for a holiday, but my mom and my aunt is taking care of something for their job in there. And while we're there, actually we traveled with a tour guide that is actually my aunt's friend, so we can trust him a lot because my aunt know him. So like the tour guide is invited us to the historical places. We went to like another beautiful places there, like an island that called Nami Island. That was the most beautiful thing, like especially at the winter time. Like there's a lot of tree when you walk. There's a lot of tree around you, and when it's winter, it's all white. The road you walking on and the tree, it's all white. It's covered with snow, and then because it's winter time, we eat a lot of good food there, and a good food, hot food, and then we go to the theme park. The theme park name is called Everland. It's so magical though. Like around 12 or 13 years old, for like kids who 12 or 13 years old, it's so magical. They have like Mickey and Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck and Goofy there. It's the most thing that I remember from my holiday to Korea. So that's it for today's story. Thank you so much. Bye.